Introduction. Host, you. Hey everyone. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we are diving into one of the fundamental principles of portrait photography, using soft, diffused lighting. It's a game changer for capturing stunning and flattering portraits, and in this video, I'll show you various ways to achieve this effect. So, let's get started. Cut to scene 1. Outdoors on an overcast day. Host. Our first tip for achieving soft, diffused lighting is to take advantage of overcast days. Today, we have some beautiful cloud cover, which acts as a natural diffuser, creating soft, even light. This is ideal for portrait photography. Cut to scene 2. Golden hour. Host. Another fantastic time for soft lighting is the golden hour. This occurs during the hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset. The sunlight is warm, soft, and perfect for portraits. Cut to scene 3. Using a diffuser. Host. But what if you are shooting in bright sunlight? No worries. You can create your diffuser using a simple tool like this. Cut to scene 4. Reflectors. Host. Reflectors are another tool you should have in your portrait photography arsenal. They can bounce light back onto your subject, filling in shadows and providing a more flattering look. Cut to scene 5. Shaded areas. Host. Finding or creating shaded areas is yet another way to achieve soft, diffused lighting. Cut to scene 6. Window light. Host. If you are shooting indoors, windows are your best friend for soft lighting. Position your subject near a window with soft, indirect light. Cut to scene 7. Avoid on-camera flash. Host. One thing to keep in mind is to avoid using the built-in, on-camera flash for portraits. It often produces harsh, unflattering light. Conclusion. Host. So, there you have it. Tips for achieving soft, diffused lighting in your portrait photography. Host. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more photography tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.